Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can prevent WhatsApp app from saving photos to gallery. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Make sure to put your likes and write your comments after watching this video. So friends, let us get started with you. Please open the WhatsApp app on your device, and then you will need to go to Settings at the bottom. Then the first thing you need to do in Settings is to open the Chat section. And here in Chats you can easily find a feature like Save to Gallery. And as you can see, it says here that it automatically saves photos and videos to your gallery. And in order to disable that, you just have to click on this button here, and it will stop auto-saving. Also friends, you can go to Data in the Settings. And here in Data, you will also find the section Auto Save Media. And you can separately customize photo, audio, video, and document saving. So, for example, photos. You can configure to auto-save photos you have never. So, you won't save photos from WhatsApp to your gallery automatically until you yourself authorize such saving. Next, don't forget to exit, and you can do the same with other options. That's how it is, friends. You can quickly and easily prevent the app in WhatsApp from saving the photo to your gallery. Friends, I hope this video has been useful and helpful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and see you soon.